Selena, Class 10, Chapter 3, Shares and Dividend. Exercise 3C. Sum number 1. By investing rupees 45,000 in 10% rupee 100 share, Sharad gets rupees 3,000 as dividend. Find the market value for each share. Therefore, annual income for one share, it is 10% of rupee 100. So 10% of rupee 100 is rupees 10. Total annual income, Sharad got rupees 3,000. Therefore, numbers of shares bought is equals to total annual income upon annual income for one share. That is equals to 3,000 upon 10 equals to 300 shares. Market value of one share is equals to total investment upon numbers of share. That is equals to 45,000 upon 300 equals to rupees 150. Sum number 2. Mrs. Kulkarni invests rupees 1,31,040 in buying rupee 100 shares at a discount of 9%. She sells shares worth rupees 72,000 at a premium of 10% and the rest at a discount of 5%. Find her total gain or loss on the whole. The total investment made rupees 1,31,040. NV of one share 100 rupees. Discount of 9%. So discount of 9% of 100 is 9 rupee. Therefore, market value of one share is equals to 100 minus 9 equals to rupees 91. Numbers of share purchased, total investment upon MV, market value of one share. That is equals to total investment is 1,31,040 upon 91. That is equals to 1,440 shares. Numbers of share worth rupees 72,000. That is equals to 72,000 upon 100 equal to 720. Mrs. Kulkarni sells 720 shares at a premium of 10%. So, she sells one share for rupees, premium of 10% means 10% of 100. That is rupees 10. 100 plus 10, 110. Market value for one share, 110. Selling price for 720 shares. 720 into 110 is equals to rupees 79,200. Now, numbers of shares remaining, total number of share 1440 minus 720. That is equals to 720 shares. She sells 720 shares at a discount of 5%. Therefore, market value of one share will be 100 minus 5% of NV. That is rupees 5. 100 minus 5, 95. Therefore, selling price for 720 shares, 720 into 95 is equals to rupees 68,400. Total selling price is equals to 79,200 plus 68,400 equal to rupees 1,47,600. Total gain, total selling price minus total investment. That is equals to 1,47,600 minus 1,31,040 equal to rupees 16,560. Sum number 3. A man invests a certain sum in buying 15% rupee 100 shares at 20% premium. Find first his income from one share. Second, numbers of shares bought to have an income from the dividend rupees 6,480. Third, some investment. Dividend on one share, that is 15% of 100. That is equals to 15 upon 100 into 100. Rupees 15. Income from one share is rupees 15. Second part, numbers of shares bought is equals to annual income upon dividend on one share. Annual income 6,480 upon 15. That is equals to 432 shares. The man purchased shares at 20% premium. Means MV, market value of one share, 100 plus 20% of 100. That is 20, 100 plus 20, rupee 120. Total investment, numbers of share into MV of one share. That is equals to number of share 432 into 120 equal to rupees 51,840. Sum number 4. Gagan invested 80% of his savings in 10% rupee 100 shares at 20% premium and the rest of his savings in 20% rupee 50 share at 20% discount. If his income from the shares is rupees 5,600, calculate first his investment in shares on the whole. Second, the numbers of shares of first kind that he bought. Third, percentage return on the shares bought on the whole. Let the total savings be rupees X. For first part, NV of one share 100 rupees, MV 20% premium 100 plus 20 upon 100 into 100, that is 20, 100 plus 20, 120. Numbers of share bought is equals to 0.8x upon 120. Upon 120. Since investment is X and 80% of that investment is invested. Dividend on one share 10% of 100, that is rupees 10. Therefore, dividend is equals to 10 into number of shares. That is equals to 10 into 0.8x upon 120 equal to 0.8x upon 12. Dividend for first part is 0.8x upon 12. For second part, NV of each share rupees 50. 20% discount. So 20 upon 100 into 50. That is equals to 10. 50 minus 10, discount is there, equal to 40. So market value for each share is rupees 40. Numbers of shares bought, 20% of the savings. So 0.2x upon 40. Okay. Dividend on each share, 20% of 50. That is equals to 20 upon 100 into 50 equal to rupee 10. Dividend on one share is equals to rupees 10. Total dividend is equals to 10 into numbers of shares. That is 0.2x upon 40. That is equals to 0.2x upon 4. His income from the shares is rupees 5,600. Therefore, income from the first share bought was 0.8x upon 12. From second share, 0.2x upon 4 is equals to 5,600. LCM here is 12. So this term I have to multiply and divide by 3. Therefore, 0.8x plus 0.6x upon 12 is equals to 5600. Therefore, 0.8 plus 0.6 is 1.4x upon 12 is equals to 5600. Therefore, x is equals to 5600 into 12 into 10 upon 14. X is equals to rupees 48,000. Total investment is equals to rupees 48,000. Second part, number of share of first kind he bought, that was 0.8x upon 120. X is 48,000, that is equals to 0.8 into 48,000 upon 120, that is equals to 320 shares. Percentage return is equals to return, that is 5,600 upon investment 48,000 into 100, that is equals to 35 upon 3 equal to 11 2 upon 3%.